Hey, I found a cool way to get free dice rolls on Monopoly Go that actually works because I personally added over 9,999 tokens in just a few minutes. I'm going to show you step by step what you need to do. First, we go to the generator website. Go to the game settings and remember your username. We'll need it later. As you can see, we currently have 12 dice rolls available. Now let's go to the website where we can generate free and unlimited dice rolls. To do this, we visit the website address shown in the video. Now we can see that we need to enter our email address or nickname, which will be used to generate the free dice rolls. It's very simple. I'll enter mine and show you what to do next. Once you enter your name, click the Connect button. Now we see that we need to choose how many dice rolls we want to generate. To keep it reasonable, I enter 9,999 dice rolls, and then click the Submit button. Now we need to wait a moment because the process of adding dice rolls to Monopoly Go has started. Depending on your internet connection speed, the time may vary. After a short while, we see the message, "Your resources have been created successfully," which means everything worked correctly. It's worth reading what they wrote here. You need to share the website, which I already did, and the method works 100% on new accounts. We click Continue, and now we're at the final step. We need to complete a verification task. Don't worry, it's free and very easy. I'll show you everything step by step. The verification helps prevent abuse of the generator and ensures that the dice rolls are added to the correct account. Additionally, the dice rolls and the website are funded by sponsors through these tasks, so everyone can use it for free. Don't worry, it only takes a few minutes, and once it's done, the verification is complete. As you can see, there's information about which tasks are recommended for users in the USA. For other countries, the verification tasks may be different. I choose this task. Install Cash Cow. Play 3 games for 5 minutes each, new users only. Let me show you how to do it. We click on the verification task to download the app from the official Google Play Store. As stated, we need to play 3 games for 5 minutes each. To be safe, I play each game for about 6 minutes to make sure the task is completed correctly. Now we're redirected to the official Google Play page, so I click Download, then Install. Depending on your internet connection, it may download faster or slower. Once it's installed, we click Open and complete the task. Alright, to save your valuable time and keep the video from being too long, I've already completed this step. I played 3 games for about 6 minutes each and received confirmation that the task was completed successfully. Now let's check if the dice rolls were added to the account. And look at this, we now have 9,999 dice rolls on our account, completely for free. See how easy that was? If you enjoyed this tutorial, please leave a like, share the video, and feel free to leave a comment. See you next time!